Hey folks, Rick again. So still working in the barn, trying to get this done. The barn's jacked up and waiting for the foundation, so I've got to get in and excavate for the foundation. First I have to remove all the old foundation stones, and that's what I'm working on now. I've got most of them done, except for one big cornerstone. It's a monster, and I'm going to have to try to dig that thing out with my backhoe. And so that's what I'm working on now. So join in and enjoy watching. Thanks. Okay, so let's go take a look at this monster. So I dug down quite a ways already trying to find the bottom of that stone, and I still haven't found it. It starts to curl in. Let's see. It starts to curl in here, so I'm hoping that's the bottom, but I can still feel more stone. So I don't know where it ends. And that's a good sized stone. So what I'm going to do, I already started, is I'll dig over here. Try to dig out a hole on the outside of the barn here. And then maybe dig underneath the stone and wrap a chain around it and pull it out that way. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with it if and when I get it out there. I don't know if I'm going to want to drag it to where I've dragged all the other stones, or if I want to leave it there or bury it or what. I don't know, but I just want to get it out of here first. You see, it's right under that corner post for the barn, and that's got to come out because we're going to be pouring the foundation there. So wish me luck. There it is. Down quite a ways and still haven't hit bottom. And I live in New Hampshire. See all these stones. This is why they call it New Hampshire the granite state. You put a shovel to the ground, you hit nothing but stone. So I was hoping to dig underneath this and run a chain around it and pull it out, but I don't know how far down I gotta dig. So I think what I might do is pull this 2x out of here. I don't need that. I'll pull that out of here and try to get behind the stone with the backhoe and pull it out. So that's next. Okay folks, so what you can't see, I'll bring you around. Do this. We've got to move quite a bit. I think what I'm going to do now is try to get a chain under it and drag it out if I can get it up over that bank. But what you can't see is that as I'm trying to pull that stone out, I'm also watching my outrigging here to make sure I don't hit that cribbing which is holding up that corner of the barn. So as I'm pulling, that outrigging is creeping closer and closer to the cribbing. So I would have to stop as I'm up close to it, within about an inch of that cribbing. I would stop, move the tractor forward again, and then go back at it. So I'm watching the bucket to make sure I don't hit the cribbing over there, to make sure I don't hit that corner post, to make sure I don't hit the chain, make sure I'm not hitting the cribbing here. So my eyes are going everywhere as I'm trying to pull that out. and I wanted to make sure that I didn't get myself stuck in there and move the stone into a certain position where I couldn't get the backhoe back out of there. So I think now I'll try to get the chain under there. Piece of cake.
Look.
All right, we got it. Part of the video I missed. I thought I was recording and I wasn't, so we got the tail end of it. I think you got the part where we pulled it out of the hole. And it was a big one, but little Miss Massey there didn't give up. She was just barely able to pull it out, but she succeeded. So that's the biggest stone that I got to move. The rest will be easy compared to that.